you know how it spreads, you know how it doesn't spread, then you have to be only cautious. It is individual's responsibility to see that he maintains proper behavior as far as sex is concerned. Of course, for sex workers, for MSMs, for IDUs, and for long distance truckers, we have a separate program. They are called high risk groups. We work through NGOs funded by BMGF, and we sensitize them. We go for their medical checkup. Every 6 months we test them. Now the prevalence in higher HRGs, high risk groups, has come down. In general population also it is coming down. If you see 2004-5, the infection level was around 2.4%. In the 2010, it has come down to 0.77. That means new infections are coming down. There is a very, very positive trend as far as the declining of this infection. But one fact we must understand, that the population which is already infected, because if a person is infected with HIV, it is lifelong. Once a positive person is there, you cannot make him a positive, negative person. He has to be positive, she has to be positive till the end of their life. So that number we cannot reduce unless those people die. So 5 lakhs is a very heavy burden, which is about 1/5 of entire country's HIV load. That's where we are worried. On the one hand, we are reducing new infections, but on the other hand, there are so many people living with HIV who are silently spreading. We want to take entire this positive population into our fold, so that they can be counseled, they can be given ART treatment, and we go for what is known as positive prevention. We counsel this HIV positive population with the help of NGOs, with the help of positive networks at district level and state level. We sensitize them, and we ensure that from this population it should not go to normal healthy population. On the other hand, we also educate the people who are not infected so far to alert them about this danger. We educate students in schools also. We call it adolescent education program. We sensitize the students who are studying 9th and 10th class, so that by the time they enter the adolescent stage, they know the problem. Then in colleges we run the program. We call it Talk Kids program in colleges. Then the people who are unemployed and not in colleges and schools, they are in villages. And we take the help of Nehru Yoga Kendra Sangathan for reaching those people. We also sensitize entire police network. The entire recruitment place in police department is sensitized, because police people are also, they live away from families. They also deal with female sex workers, so they should know this issue. We sensitize them in all the recruitments. We also sensitize all self-help group women through IKP network. We sensitized all the Anganwadi workers. Anyway, all ANMs are trained. Now we started doing field testing of HIV with the help of ANMs. We have given training to about 9,000 ANMs in the field. Now who can do testing in the field at sub-center level. We want to see that every pregnant woman is tested. There are 17 lakhs of estimated pregnancies in our state, and last year we could go up to 12 lakhs testing. We want to reach this entire pregnant woman, so that if a pregnant woman is tested and found positive, we can take care of ART therapy throughout her life. And once we know that she is a positive pregnant woman, we give them drugs and see that the transmission will not be happening to the child. So no child is born. We make an appeal to youth. In addition to the high risk program, we are also implementing link worker scheme in all the 22 districts in rural areas. There are about 800 to 900 link workers who are spread in all the villages, and there are volunteers, about 25,000 volunteers, and they establish red ribbon clubs in the villages. They sensitize the youth. So we try to reach out to entire population in the state, so that new infections start coming down, and those who are infected, we give all the required services. 45 ART centers to treat them, and 6 more centers we are establishing this year. Almost 2,000 places are there where we can test the people. In government sector, including primary health centers, we have got 1700 ICTC centers where we test in addition to counseling them. And there are 225 private hospitals where we run ICTC centers. In addition to them, there are 105 STA clinics. We treat all STA, RTA infections. We give free drugs. ART therapy is free. Our assurance for a positive person is lifelong. We take care of them.